not Section 4, not Section 25. A little proviso in each of the two sections. Ang inalisa na sa Section 4 yung sa pagka yung intent to parang destroy properties or baliwala yon. Actually, that was an amendment introduced by Senator Drilon, which I accepted being the sponsor. Kasi wala namang masyadong added value. Now that it has been struck out by the Supreme Court, then fine. No? The other one, wala rin, of no moment. Kasi the Supreme Court recognizes yung independence natin as a country. So, hindi tayo pwede ma-influence yung tinatawag na supranational jurisdiction wherein once designated by the United Nations, nasa provision yun or the EU, or any supranational territory or jurisdiction, automatic designated na ng ATC. Napaganda pa. Because ATC will have a free hand. Hindi sila parang forced or parang influenced by outside jurisdiction or any jurisdiction outside the country. So, the long and short of it, peace wins over terror. And we are very happy with the decision. No matter how they claim that they achieved partial victory, why are they whining? Why are they protesting? Why are they appealing kung nanalo sila? There's no partial victory to speak of in the first place. It is a total victory for peace against terror.
They're saying na pakonsuelo yung naging desisyon, that's why i-aapela nila. Your reactions and Ping and SP?
Well, first they were claiming victory. Next, they claim partial victory. Now, they're whining and say that they will appeal and they're not happy. So, which is which? Now, you know, ang daming misconception about the Anti-Terrorism Law. Kinain na ng propaganda, counter-propaganda. Maybe they were noisier than we are because we are, we just maintain the proper decorum. Because it's in the Supreme Court, there's a pending case, a petition, so we chose to keep quiet. And so, if it was the right or wrong move, maybe we should rethink our position because we respect the Supreme Court as an institution, a co-equal branch of government. Wala silang masyadong constraints pagdating doon. They can speak their minds, parang wantonly violating the sub judice rule. Kami, we observe, but we keep monitoring, and we also gave our share by forwarding to the Solgen yung aming yung minutes ng aming deliberation to show na yung intent of the law is not to, parang suppress dissent. Malinaw it's only directed at terrorists. Gusto ba natin maulit yung Marawi siege? Definitely not, di ba? So, it's a total victory for myself as the principal sponsor and Senate President Soto as the principal author, as well as the 22 other senators, at least in the Senate, who voted in favor. Only 2 dissented. Even Senator Drilon voted in favor of the measure. Ang dalawa lang nag-dissent dito, Senator Rizal Tiveros and Senator Kiko Pangilinan. That in spite of the fact that I accepted most of their amendments. So ito talaga, directed yung sinasabi nilang binelate daw ng yung Constitution dahil in-extend yung period of detention from the usual 72 hours to 14 days, extendable hanggang 24 days. No, we did not amend the Constitution. Hindi violation because ang nasa yun pwedeng amend yun because it is in the revised penal code. Ilang beses na natin na-amend yung provisions ng revised penal code. Ang hindi natin ginalaw, hindi pwedeng galawin, yung Rule 113, yung sa citizen's arrest or warrantless arrest. Again, yung black propaganda nila, sinasabi nila, we amended that, na pwede na raw arrestuhin by mere accusation. No! Nando pa rin yung in the act of committing, about to commit, has just committed, tapos may probable cause yung arresting officer or any civilian. Hindi lang police officer, kaya natawag doon citizen's arrest. For example, may naka-witness ka, may personal knowledge ka na mayroong nagpaplantang bomba. You can ask for assistance from, kasi babae ka, baka hindi mo kaya, and you can arrest the suspect right there. What's wrong with that? You are a hero because you are able to prevent an act of terrorism. Ang gusto nila, kumuha mo na ng warrant of arrest sa court. Sumabog na tayong lahat. You see how they, napapano nila tinitwist yung facts. Those are facts that cannot be, but they were able to inculcate in the minds of some people na masama yung law because by mere accusation, pwede nang arrestin. No, no, no. Hindi nagalaw yung Rule 113, yung sa tinatawag na warrantless or citizen's arrest. Tumatango yung abogado ni Senate President.
I think Tito Sen, my reaction. And then we will also, after Tito Sen, pakinggan natin si General Lacson.
The enforcer of the
Enforcer.
Dati, di ako sasalita dyan tungkol dyan. Baka sabihin ng Supreme Court sub-judice. Pero ito, bottom line lang to. Ito ang pinaka-bottom line sa explica ni Senator Lacson. Anong i-a-appeal mo? Lahat ng nire-reklamong naririnig ko sa media na sinasabi nila wala sa batas. Wala naman doon yung nire-reklamo nila Alin na nga alisin? Hindi na. Kaya, ganun lang kasimple.
Sir, follow up. Go ahead, sir.
Can we hear
Yes,
General
I've been in the
Lacson?
police service for more than 3 decades, and in law enforcement, we need all the laws na kailangan ma-implement natin, lalo na sa protection ng ating mapabayan. So, no question sa us, talagang gusto namin ito. But of course, meron tayong procedures, and andun nga, meron batas, at question nila sa Supreme Court. So, ginalang natin yun, at nag-decide na ang Supreme Court. So, meaning to say, yung kanilang mga sinasabi about those mga violation ng Constitution, nag-decide na ang Supreme Court at sinasabi na except for those 2 provisos na na-explain ni Senator Lacson, okay lahat yun. Of course, they can appeal and that is part of the system. But, in so far as we are concerned, naandyan ang Supreme Court na nagsasabi na itong ginawang batas na ito ay para sa protection natin at walang violation ng Constitution. Yun ang po masasabi ko.
Salamat po. Yes, Ms. Bea.
Follow up lang sa inyo po ulit, sir. APL pa rin. If and when we file the appeal for the anti-terror law, are you confident that the APL will hold its ground and will still be constitutional even after
Yes.
the appeal?
Alam mo, ang problema kasi lagi sa implementation. Kasi sometimes, law enforcement officers, mali yung interpretation or they extend yung meaning o yung spirit ng law. Meron naman tayong provision sa batas na pwedeng parusahan yung law enforcement officers who violate the provisions of the law. The same is true with the anti-terrorism law. Just like any other law, pwedeng subject to abuse. Hindi lang naman yung ATL. Bakit sinisingle out lagi yung ATL na iaabusuhin ito? Kaya nga mayroong mga nakukulong na pulis kasi inaabuso yung pag-interpret nila. Kasi ang interpretation sa Supreme Court, implementation lang, susunod lang yung law enforcement officers sa pag-implement, sa pag-execute.
So you think it will still be constitutional even after the appeal? Or you're confident that the MC or the Court of Appeals will
Again, let's
be
leave it to the Supreme Court to decide.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Mayan. Roy?
May I repeat what I said? Hail, hail the Supreme Court. Terrorists, beware.
Ma'am, isa na lang po. It's ATL pa rin, sir, sorry Nagtidetalye lang ako. Ang sabi po kasi nung isa sa mga petitioners, si Bayan muna Chairman Eli Colmenares, yung mga kontra sa gobyerno, yung magiging target ng batas. Kasi isa sa mga naiwang provision, yung kapangyarihan ng Anti-Terrorism Council na tumukoy ng mga tao or organisasyon na terorista. So they're afraid na baka mga kalaban ng mga anti-government or opposition yung tamaan ito.
No, there's nothing wrong with that kasi administrative act yun eh. Ini-interpret nila na binigyan daw ng judicial or quasi-judicial power yung ATC. Yung sinasabi naman sa terrorist financing, meron na talagang batas, we just restated it in the Anti-Terrorism Act. Ba't hindi sila nag-petition do sa yung batas do sa terrorist financing? Alam mo, when we consulted the US government, yung Department of Justice nila, worse pa nga yung gusto nila. Sa kanila, yung parang one-party consent. Hindi natin pinayagan yun eh. Dito sa atin, dapat kukuha ka ng permiso sa korte. Tinaasan pa nga natin yung sa pag-wartap. yung electronic surveillance. Under RA 4200, RTC lang. Pwede kang kumuha ng court order, pwede ka na mag-wiretap. Alam mo, sa Anti-Terrorism Act, inelevate pa namin sa Court of Appeals. 3 yung justices na mag-uusap doon kung mag-i-issue ba ng court order authorizing the law enforcement agencies to wiretap. Ayaw pa ba nila yun? Yung nadagdagan pa yung safeguards. And find me a law na yung arresting officer is mandated under this law to report to the nearest judge where the arrest was conducted, and to the Commission on Human Rights, and to the Anti-Terrorism Council na such arrest was done, was conducted. Maghanap ka ng batas na mayroong ganun. Pag hindi nag-report yung law enforcement within 24 hours, kulong siya ng 10 years.
But as the principal author, can you assure that the ATC will not just target the members of the opposition?
Nasa batas yun eh. Hindi naman tinatarget yung opposition eh.
Okay.
Pag tinarget ang opposition, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung tatargetin sila. Huwag sila mag-terrorize. Huwag sila magpasabog. Huwag sila mag-commit ng acts of terrorism. Maski sino naman, whether they're members of the opposition, whether they're sympathizers of the CPP and PA, whether you are members of media, whether you're members of Congress, if you commit acts of terrorism, you'll be answerable under the law. So wag silang magpaka-special na sila'y tatargetin. No. Yung law is the law.
Okay.
Walang tinatarget dito kundi yung nagko-commit ng acts of terrorism.